Right, so on a rainy day like this, you're reminded that trains, power lines, they don't stop because it's raining. They don't stop because it's night. They don't stop because it's winter. As an electrician or a lineman, there's going to be no power because you're the one fixing it. We're the one installing the electricity, so you're going to have no lights there. I tell you, you got nights to deal with. We have no holidays, no weekend, no breaks till stuff's up and running. Well, everybody in town yells at us, why can't you get the power back on? Or they say, why do those trains make so much noise? We need to limit them. But then we can't figure out why our packages and everything go up in cost, and yeah, that's just the way it goes. I mean, you see where I'm coming from with that. I tell you what, you people keep your office jobs, and just stay away from stuff like this if you're afraid of getting wet or electrocuted, hit by a train, burned by welding equipment, have a hammer fall on your toe, you know, seal your boots on, things like that. So I tell you what, just remember the sun's shining above the clouds, so look at it that way. It may be cloudy, but the sun's still shining, and work goes on, life goes on, and that's just the way it goes. We get the job done. But it may be 7 a.m. for you, but people like me that wake up at 3:30 in the morning and do stuff, we're pretty much done with the things for today. Before you even wake up and head to work. I mean, and I tell you what, you're out here dressed like this, summertime, any time of day, and that's just the way it goes. You have to wear long pants, and yeah, you got it. I tell you what, just enjoy.